Alright. Let's uh, let us continue chapter 6.3. Right. Kan? Let us continue on chapter 6.3. Okay. Okay. 1G and coverage today is 4G LTE, right? Kan? And towards we have 5G. Tapi sekarang pun dah ada tempat-tempat yang dah dipasang dengan 5G. Right? Okay, first generation of 1G started at year 1991. Kan? Kalau tengok sini betul ke? Okay, macam salah ni 2G sama je, di copy paste kan. And then 2001, 2010 mungkin. And then 2020 kan, dia punya selang masa dia kan. 1G basic lah, basic voice service, analog based protocol. 2G pun masih lagi digital kan, digital standard lah. Yang ni analog basic for voice, tapi yang ni voice untuk dengan digital. And then dunia dah start pakai smartphone dekat 3G kan. 3G kita dah pakai smartphone. Waktu tu siapa yang tak ada smartphone boleh pakai dongle, 3G dongle, pucuk USB dekat laptop kan. Dah ada masa tu 3G. Okay, ni comparison untuk download 1 hour movie. 1 hour movie dia tak beritahu resolution berapa ni kan. Okay, untuk 5G ni sebab speed saya tengok tu 1 gig, 1 gigabit per second, tapi movie saya lebih daripada 1 gigabyte. Kan mustahil dapat 1 second kan. Ni mungkin movie yang kecil lah. 1 hour movie, 1 hour movie. Movie saya yang right. Laju ah. Sini baru nampak sikit kan. Tadi 1991. Ini betulkan sikit. Start dan development 1970, start development dalam development 1984. Okay, so release tadi kan, release yang tadi macam ni 2020 release 2020 kan, and then start 2010 dah start dah 10 tahun awal. Okay, dan development 2015 kan, 2015. So dijanjikan 1 gigabit per second. Alright, untuk 5G. So boleh tengok teknologi dia MMT, TACS. Kemudian 2G kita lebih kenali 2G dengan GSM kan, GSM. So 3G kalau kata LTE sinonim dengan 4G. Masa tu dah ada WiMAX. WiMAX ni bukan dalam ni, WiMAX dalam Wi-Fi kan. Macam mana boleh masuk sini? Okay, 5G dia ada pula teknologi dia nak panggil MIMO kan. MIMO kan. Okay. Millimeter wave. Kecil lah millimeter wave. Okay, frekuensi dia tengok. Berganda-ganda lah. Berganda-ganda. 30 kHz dulu. Dan naik kepada 1 gig. 1 gig jadi 2 gig. 2 gig jadi 8 gig. 8 gig dah boleh naik ke 30 gig. 30 GHz, sorry. Peningkatan bandwidth besar. Bandwidth tadi. Okay, access system kita pakai FDMA, TDMA, CDMA, FDMA, BDMA. Apa benda kita tak belajar pun kan. TPSS. Okay, core network dah tentu 1G dengan 2G pakai dekat telefon 4G dengan 5G sama kan. Lebih kurang. Alright. Apa lagi? Oh, cerita dalam tiap-tiap satu. Daripada 1G. Kemudian lepas tu kita akan ada 6.4 pula. Dalam tu ada GSM yang 2G kan. Kita ulang balik. Okay. Clear? Boleh. Alright. So 1G in first generation lah. The very first generation of commercial cellular network was introduced in the late 70s with fully implemented standards being established throughout the 80s. So it was introduced in 1987 by Telecom dekat Australia, known today as Telstra. Okay, so it received its first cellular mobile phone network utilizing a 1G analog system. So 1G as an quality was large without much security and would sometimes experience drop call. Okay. Okay, masa tu boleh main internet tak? Tapi ni bukan untuk internet, ni untuk analog tadi. Okay, maximum speed dalam 2.4 kilobit per second. So, okay, of course designed for voice communication. Okay, selain daripada tu dekat North America ada juga Advanced Mobile Phone System nama dia. MPS is an analog cellular phone system. It's used 800 MHz ISM band and two spread analog channels forward and reverse. Okay, dia pakai forward and reverse. Dua analog channels lah. The band between 824 to 849 MHz is used for reverse communication from MS to BS. So the band between 869 from BS to MS. Okay, each band is divided into 30 kHz. Okay, ada 30 kHz channels. Dah sebanyak berapa? 8 atau 32. Kan, setiap satu tu 30 kHz channel as shown in figure 1. Kat mana figure 1? Okay, so ada banyak lah. Alright. Kat belakang ni figure 1. Okay, as each location area is shared by two several service provider, each provider can have 419 channels, out of which 31 are used for control. So MPS use frequency division multiple access FDMA to divide each 25 MHz band to 30 kHz channel as shown in figure 2. Dan figure 2 adalah FDMA teknik. Okay, control teknik use Next, kita pergi dekat GSM. Okay, cell phone received their first major upgrade when they went from 1G to 2G. Masa ni saya tak ingat, masa ni kami tak bagi nama lagi kan. 1G to 2G ke. Yang first saya ingat bagi nama adalah 3G. Okay, tapi yang ni second generation maksudnya dia adalah major update lah. Daripada tukar daripada analog kepada digital tu kita panggil 2G. Right. The main difference between 1G and 2G, the radio signal used by 1G and network are analog, while 2G networks are digital. Pada waktu 2G ni saya dah start beli handphone dah. Kan start beli handphone. Dia punya SIM card dia pun kena pakai sebesar kad tu lah. Sebesar kad. Kan? So to provide secure and reliable communication channel, it implemented the concept of CDMA and GSM to provide more data service like SMS and MMS. Okay, masa yang ada SMS tu dipanggil 2G kan. Senang cerita. So second generation or 2G cellular network introduced in the late 1980s are based on digital transmission. The primary difference between 1G and 2G cellular networks, so dia ada digital traffic channel. Okay, so 1G purely analog, almost purely analog. 2G system digital. Dia ada dah start ada encryption. all 2G system provide encryption to prevent eavesdropping. And then ada error detection and correction. Then 2G digital traffic allow for detection and correction, giving clear voice exception. Dan dia ada channel access. 2G system allow channel to be dynamically shared by a number of users. Okay, kemudian kita ada 3G. Okay, smartphone technology were introduced in the third generation ataupun 3G. The 3G standard utilize a new technology called UMTS as its core network architecture ataupun Indonesia 2G network with some new technology and protocols to deliver a significantly faster data rate. So the goal is to facilitate greater voice and data capacity, support a wider range of applications, and increase data transmission at a lower cost. So 3G increase the efficiency of frequency spectrum by improving how audio is compressed during a call, so more simultaneous call can happen in the same frequency range. Ini untuk tengok macam mana dia punya cellular network dia untuk 3G. Like 2G, 3G evolve into 3.5G. Lepas tu ada lagi bahagi tak? Okay, ada update pula, ada 3.75G. As more features were introduced in order to bring about 4G. So a 3G phone cannot communicate through a 4G network, of course, but newer generation of phone are particularly always designed to be backward compatible. So kalau kita sekarang ni ada 5G, macam kamu ada PS5 lah, PS5 boleh main semua game kan? Yang PS4 kan? Macam PS4 boleh main PS3 punya game kan? Okay, so tapi PS4 tak boleh main PS5 punya game kan? Sama juga dengan cellular network. Okay, ni mula-mula nak daripada 2G. 2G pun tak terus 2G, ada 2.5G. Pernah dengar GPRS, kemudian ada ACE. Mungkin kamu tak pernah dengar, tapi dekat handset kamu kadang ada huruf E. Kadang-kadang tak ada line kan? Sebenarnya ada. Kan ada 2.75G. Kan? Kemudian kamu ada 3G, 3.5G, ada H+ kan? Ada H+. Kemudian 4G kita dah tahu, daripada 4G jadi 4.5G ataupun LTE kan. So 4G is a very different technology as only because of the advancement in the technology in the last 10 years. So the main goal is to provide high speed, high quality and high capacity to users while improving security. So the lower of cost of voice and data services, multimedia and internet over IP, that are 4G cellular network, the key technologies that have made this possible are MIMO. Tadi tengok dekat 5G kan. Tapi tengok MIMO ni apa? Multiple input, multiple output je. And OFDM, orthogonal frequency division multiplexing. The two important 4G standard are WiMAX and LTE. Sebab tu dia tulis tadi WiMAX. The max speed of 4G network when the device is moving is 10 megabit per second. 1 gigabit per second for low mobility connection. Ingat waktu 4G kita boleh guna internet dalam tengah bergerak, contoh atas kereta ataupun rider motor kan. Okay, ada dia punya standard dia pakai 3GPP standard dan satu lagi 3GPP2. Okay, so yang 3GPP biasa ni kita pakai dekat LTE. LTE maksudnya long term evolution based on FDMA rates over 320 megabit per second with MIMO. Kalau yang 3GPP2 standard dia pakai UMB je ataupun ultra mobile broadband. Okay, so based on FDMA. Yang ni bukan LTE lah, tapi dia 4G juga. Tapi rate dia nak beza dia by rate lah. Kalau rate dia adalah kurang 280 megabit per second je. So dia adalah UMB kan. UMB. Dia bukan LTE. 4G ya, tapi UMB. Right. So this comparison. Ada 2.5G je kan GPRS tengah-tengah. Tengok bandwidth sampai 200 megabit per second. Sekarang kita ada 5G kan. Okay. Now time to 5G. 5G improve 4G lah of course. 5G promise significantly faster data rate, higher connection density, much lower latency among other improvement. Some of the plan for 5G include device-to-device communication, boleh direct kan, macam P2P lah, better battery consumption, battery save lah, and improve overall wireless coverage. Teringat lagi banyak, lagi kuat makan bateri kan, lagi generasi terkini lagi dia buat research yang untuk jimatkan bateri. Okay, the max speed of 5G is aimed to being as fast as 35.59 gigabit per second. Bukan setakat 1 gig, boleh pergi 35 gig. So which is over 35 times faster than 4G. Okay, so the cellular network tadi pakai MIMO. Okay, dia ada tambah massive MIMO. Okay, tambah all the new technology from the previous decade could be used to give 10 gigabit per second. Dia punya tak capai 10 gig per second kan. Jadi 30 hari kan. Dah capai lah. With an unseen low latency and allow connection for at least 100 billion devices untuk 5G ni.